What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Sony phones in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Meet the Sony Xperia Pro-I, the top budget Sony phone in 2023 for those looking to save money. This phone boasts a classic Sony design, including the signature tall screen, a trio of rear cameras, and an exceptional battery life due to its mid-range processors and substantial 5,000 mAh battery capacity. The Xperia Pro-I exhibits a distinctively minimalist Sony design, with an unconventional screen aspect ratio and elongated body that allows it to stand out among other smartphones. The Xperia Pro-I feels more premium than its price suggests, thanks to its solid plastic body and lack of any patterns. The matte finish, combined with the phone's overall size and slim profile, makes it very comfortable to hold and use. Notably, this SIM card slot also functions as an expandable memory slot, and with a 3.5mm headphone jack included, the Xperia Pro-I is one of the few remaining phones to retain these practical features, a commendable move by Sony. As expected from an OLED screen, the display quality is impressive, with vibrant colors and deep blacks providing an enjoyable viewing experience. While some users might be disappointed by the 60Hz refresh rate compared to other phones offering 90Hz or 120Hz, casual users will likely find the smooth 60Hz refresh rate more than satisfactory. Turning to the back of the Xperia Pro-I, you'll find a neatly organized triple-lens camera setup consisting of a 12-megapixel wide telephoto, 8-megapixel telephoto, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, suitable for various scenarios. The main 12-megapixel wide camera captures sharp images in daylight in well-lit environments, while the ultra-wide camera performs admirably in bright conditions with accurate color representation. Nighttime photography is decent, but not as remarkable as more expensive flagship models. An 8-megapixel front-facing selfie camera provides sufficient detail for most users. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, 5G compatibility, 6GB RAM, and 128GB of expandable storage, the Xperia Pro-I caters to the needs of most users. The standout feature of this phone is its battery life. The power-efficient processor combined with the sizable 5,000 mAh battery allows for up to 2 days of usage on a single charge. When searching for a product that offers maximum worth for your investment, the Sony Xperia III is the ideal choice. As the best value Sony phone in 2023, it boasts cutting-edge features, a sleek, unique design, and an incredibly versatile camera. The Xperia III pairs a tasteful, elegant design with one of the finest displays in the smartphone industry. It delivers top-notch performance and a camera system that thrills users who enjoy exploring their device's full potential. Upon unboxing the Xperia III, you'll instantly recognize its Sony lineage. Its rectangular, linear design mirrors earlier Xperia generations, featuring a longer, slimmer build than most smartphones. The phone feels sturdy and durable, backed by IP65-68 certification for water resistance. On the back, the camera module sits in the upper left corner, housing 3 cameras and 2 supplementary sensors. The bottom edge houses the USB Type-C 3.1 connector and one of the phone's microphones. On the top edge, you'll find a 3.5mm headphone jack alongside the second microphone, a rare feature among high-end smartphones. At the front, the Xperia III showcases a stunning 6.5-inch OLED screen with 4K resolution, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus and framed by relatively slim bezels. Although its resolution of 1644 by 3840 pixels falls just short of 4K due to its 21:9 aspect ratio, it remains one of the sharpest mobile phone screens available. A 120Hz refresh rate adds extra fluidity, a notable improvement over the previous model. The display excels in color accuracy, touch response time, viewing angles, and contrast. Under the hood, the Xperia III packs a punch with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, accompanied by 12GB of RAM and 256GB of expandable internal storage. This powerhouse offers virtually every technical advancement expected from a premium smartphone, maintaining excellent performance and handling multiple open apps with ease. The Xperia III's battery has expanded by 500 mAh compared to its predecessor. However, the increase in capacity doesn't significantly extend battery life, likely due to the energy demands of the 120Hz screen. Nevertheless, the phone can last a full day without issue, hitting 50% battery after about 2.5 hours of screen time and lasting just under 6 hours at full capacity. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Introducing the Sony Xperia Pro-I, a successor to the limited edition Xperia Pro, specifically designed for photography and cinematography enthusiasts. This groundbreaking device is the first ever phone to incorporate a 1-inch Sony sensor, output 12-bit RAW, and provide numerous camera apps for maximizing its advanced camera system. The Xperia Pro-I boasts several significant advancements over its predecessor. It's now a water-resistant Xperia phone, featuring a 6.5-inch 4K OLED display with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. The chipset has been upgraded to the Snapdragon 888, and the cameras and lenses have been improved, while the phone itself sports a sleeker, heavier profile. The primary selling point of the new Xperia Pro-I is its exceptional main camera. Sony has successfully integrated its 20-inch 1-megapixel sensor from the Sony RX107 into a smartphone, marking an industry first. The 24mm Zeiss lens on this large sensor provides a variable aperture with fixed f2.0 and f4.0 steps, a rare feature. This camera supports real-time IAF, 315 PDAF points, 4K video recording at 120 FPS, and eyepiece AF to object tracking for video. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera now offers autofocus and can capture macro shots as well as stunning wide-angle images with sharp corners. Meanwhile, the 12-megapixel telephoto lens utilizes a 50mm lens with a larger sensor and more pixels, albeit with a shorter reach. Apart from mobile photography, the Xperia Pro-I comes packed with additional features such as stereo speakers, a micro SD slot, a 3.5mm jack, a dedicated hardware shutter, a loop for attaching a wrist strap like a digital camera, and multiple microphones for high-quality audio recording. This versatile phone can also function as an external monitor and controller for various popular Sony cameras. Although the Xperia Pro-I should last a day on a single charge, anticipate an average of 5.5 hours of on-screen time, with more conservative usage required for extended battery life. However, the included power adapter allows for charging the phone above 50% within just 30 minutes. The Sony Xperia Pro-I is undoubtedly an impressive device, offering remarkable capabilities for both photography and cinematography enthusiasts. Meet the Sony Xperia 5 IV, our second best pick among Sony phones for 2023. This compact flagship, like its sibling the Xperia 1 IV, aims to captivate creative professionals. With Photo Pro, Video Pro, and the new Music Pro apps, creators have an abundance of tools at their disposal. Additionally, Sony targets live streaming enthusiasts by enabling direct streaming to YouTube or RTMP URL services via the Sony Video Pro and Game Enhancer apps. Game Enhancer allows players to tailor their experiences by adjusting performance, loading, sound, and more. The rear finish now sports a matte black Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, providing improved grip and fingerprint resistance. The ultra-widescreen 21:9 format ensures a comfortable hold as it is narrower than typical smartphones. As a device designed for content creators, quick microSD access is essential. The phone also features a 3.5mm audio jack on the top edge, a rarity in high-end devices. Connectivity-wise, it supports Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ac, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC for mobile payments, and extensive positioning coverage with GPS system compatibility. The Xperia series' distinguishing feature is its ultra-widescreen display, granting extra height. It retains the OLED screen found in the Xperia 1 IV, but with a 6.1-inch diagonal, Full HD Plus resolution, 2520 by 1080 pixels, and a 449 ppi density. Sony has not overlooked audio quality in the Xperia 5 IV. Besides the 3.5mm jack, two stereo speakers positioned at either end of the front screen project sound directly toward the user, enhancing the experience with Dolby Atmos technology. This design prevents speaker obstruction when holding the phone horizontally. In gaming, the optimizer adjusts phone behavior for optimal hardware performance and user experience. The front-facing camera captures well-defined selfies, although it tends to overexpose backgrounds. With 3 video recording apps, video capabilities are a strong suit. The triple camera setup supports 4K recording at 120 FPS, allowing seamless switching between cameras and eye tracking to keep subjects in focus. Even the front camera records in 4K. The Xperia 5 IV houses a 5000 mAh battery without compromising size or weight, offering 7 to 8 hours of active screen time thanks to Xperia's stamina technology. The camera department remains mostly unchanged from the Xperia 5 III, with the same 12-megapixel main and ultra-wide cameras capable of 20 FPS. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we bring you Sony Xperia 1 IV, our top pick for the best Sony phone in 2023. This powerhouse device is perfect for on-the-go content creators, boasting advanced camera features and innovative music recording technology. Its unique design, remarkable display, and alpha-inspired camera software make it an ideal choice. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack and the new music recording app will surely delight audiophiles. Sony maintains its signature 21:9 aspect ratio for the display, which complements modern cinema's ultra-wide format. The screen also features thin bezels on the top and bottom, resulting in a taller and slimmer phone compared to most competitors. The Xperia 1 IV comes with IP65-68 certification, ensuring excellent water protection and overall durability. The aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus on both front and back provide added robustness. The 4K resolution screen remains consistent across all Sony Xperia 1 models, and the Xperia 1 IV is no exception. Other standard features for a flagship device include a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR support, and OLED technology. Audio quality is equally impressive, with high-res audio and LDAC support for wireless headphones, aptX adaptive, and Dolby Atmos for an immersive gaming and movie experience. The stereo speakers are loud and clear, making it a solid option for various media. Under the hood, the Xperia 1 IV runs on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, coupled with 12GB of RAM and a choice between 256GB or 512GB of storage, expandable via micro SD card. This ensures smooth, fluid performance that should endure for years. Battery life is commendable, providing all-day use under normal conditions. The camera system on the Xperia 1 IV is exceptional, featuring 3 12-megapixel rear cameras, a main lens with OIS and a bright f1.7 aperture, an ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and an OIS-stabilized telephoto lens offering true optical zoom from 3.5 times to 5.2 times. Exposure and color adjustments are consistently accurate across all rear lenses, making it a top choice for photography enthusiasts. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.